Headings: What is man-in-the-middle attack? Bettercap basics. Note: practical video uploaded in Telegram https://t.me/dhanahak. R. Poisoning using Bettercap. Spying on network devices, capturing passwords, visited websites, etc. Man-in-the-middle attacks. Man-in-the-middle, MITM, is one of the most dangerous attacks that we can carry out in a network. MITM redirects the flow of packets from any client to our device. This attack is very hard to protect against because it's very difficult to detect. ARP, a network security protocol, has two main security issues. If we tell any device on our network that we are the router, the device will trust us. The second security issue is that clients can accept responses even if they didn't send a request. The MITM attack is a technique called ARP poisoning, or ARP spoofing. When the client requests something, it will send the request to the Wi-Fi router, and then the router will get the request from the internet and come back with the responses. We are going to send an ARP response to the client so that we can send responses without the client asking them. The client didn't ask for anything, but we can still send it a response, he says. Due to this, the client will start sending the packets to us instead of sending the packets to the router. The following diagram illustrates this. After telling the router that our IP is the client IP, we are going to tell the router we are the clients. The router will then start sending packets to us instead of sending it to the client. As seen in the following diagram, when the client wants to open google.com, it will send the request to our device instead of sending it to the Wi-Fi router. Now, the Wi-Fi router will send the response google.com to our device instead of the client, and then we will send that response to the client. So, this means that each packet that is sent to the client or from the client will have to go through us. Since it is going through us and we have the key, we can read these packets, we can modify them, or we can just drop them. So, that is the basic principle of the ARP poisoning or MITM attack. Basically, we are going to tell the client that we are the router, and then we are going to tell the Wi-Fi router that we are the clients. This will put us in the middle of the packet flow, between the client and the Wi-Fi router. After this, all the packets will start flowing through our device, so we can read the packets, modify them, or drop them. Thank you for watching. Wants to be a hacker and start your career in ethical hacking? You can start from my course. For more queries, please do follow my Telegram account Dhanahak for further information.